The Shan State military, one of the strongest ethnic armies in Myanmar, continues to train for battle. Not currently at war with the state-controlled junta, they're preparing just in case. More than 50 years ago, central government leaders in Yangon said Shan State could become independent if they wanted, but they never kept that promise.
We have been fighting for country for 51 years. We will fight as hard as we can to get independence for country. We will continue our ultimate fight.
The Shan State Army, or SSA, is 10,000 strong and growing every year. Armed with AK-47 and M16 automatic rifles, soldiers undergo 7 months of training before being sent out into the jungle. The Army spent about $4.5 million last year on military expenses.
Our country has not become independent yet. We are still fighting for it. Our training for soldiers will be more like guerrilla warfare.
For the first time in 20 years, the central government is planning to hold an election, although no date has been decided. Shan State says it does not intend to participate. Julie Noche, Reuters.